On approaching the Flying Spur Mulliner, owners are treated to a moment of pure automotive theater. As the Bentley name badge above the grille smoothly slides out of view, a beautifully polished Flying Bee bonnet Mascot, the sixth iteration of the design, rises to take its place. In perfect synchronicity, headlamps and the delicate clear acrylic wings of the Mascot briefly illuminate with a welcoming glow. Standard of the Flying Spur Mulliner, the Flying Bee is also available as an option on all Flying Spurs, with a 97% uptake. Creating that moment, and the elegant Flying Bee Mascot that draws every eye, called for a fusion of exceptional design, craft and engineering skills. It's symbolic of Bentley's approach to creating unique ownership experiences through relentless attention to detail at every stage,